Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to create an account on Signal. Signal is a cross-platform centralized encrypted messaging service developed by Signal Technology Foundation and Signal Messenger. It uses the internet to send one-to-one and group messages, which includes files, voice notes, images, and videos. In order to create an account on Signal, first, make sure you've downloaded the Signal application on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Signal. Once you find the application, simply tap on the Install button to download. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button, and this is the first interface of Signal. Tap on the Continue button and then allow Signal to access to your contacts in order to connect with friends, exchange messages, and make secure calls. Now, allow more access, for example, contacts, phone calls, and then, after you do that, you'll need to go ahead and select your country from the drop-down. Once you select your country code will be automatically typed in. Now, type in your phone number in order to continue. Make sure to type in the valid phone number that you have an access to and tap on Next. You'll receive a verification code in order to verify your phone number. So in case your phone number that you've just typed in is incorrect, you can tap on the Edit Number option over here in the pop-up and then edit your phone number into the correct one. Once you're done, tap on OK and wait for the verification code to arrive on your phone number. Once you receive the verification code, it will be automatically entered. Now, go ahead and set up your profile. You can tap on the camera icon with a human figure in it and then choose a picture from your gallery or take a photo from your camera screen. Once you select the picture that you would like to use, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner. If you want to make any kind of edits on your picture, go ahead and do it from the menu appearing at the top of the screen. Now, after you're done, tap on the tick mark at the upper right one more time and then tap on Next button at the bottom. You'll need to create a PIN in order to keep your information secure. So go ahead and type in a PIN number. Make sure to type in the PIN number that is 4-digit long and tap on Next. Re-enter your PIN one more time on the next page and then tap on Next one more time. Wait for a few seconds and you have successfully created a Signal account. To get started, you can go ahead and create a new group, invite friends to your contacts, or you can even use the SMS option. That is how you can easily create an account on Signal Private Messenger. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.